Alright, welcome once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I achieved this simple birthday flyer design using Pixel Lab. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing I have to do here is change your background color. Okay, before that, let's get the size we used for that design. So this is the size we used, 1023 by 1280. So let's change the background color to white, and then now let's get started. So first thing, let's import the background. Okay, let's import the design and then use it as reference. So yeah, this is the design. Change the size to 100, and then this is it. So this was the first picture I used. Okay, let me import the background first. So this is the first background I used. Change the size to 100, and then go ahead and lock it up. Then let's import the next background I used, which is this. Then change the size, and then can come to brightness and reduce it. I'll click here, and then let's disable this. Then this, change the brightness, reduce it. Enable this and reduce the opacity a little bit. So something like this, something like this, something like this. It's not bad. So I import this and reduce the opacity a little bit, and then reduce the brightness as well. So something like this is not bad. So I can still do adjustments, but you can proceed with the design. So let me import the first picture I used, which is this. So I achieved this particular stuff using PixArt. So it's very simple. And just brush the one side of your image. Yeah, very simple. I will still up a tutorial video on that. Now let's increase the size. Now let's increase it. So something like this, and copy it. So something like this is not bad. Then you can place it here, carefully place it, and then go ahead and lock it. So the next thing, we import this image, then increase the size, and then you can place it here, something like this. But before that, just lock it. Then before that, come over to this first image and reduce the opacity. Reduce it a little bit. So that is it. Then let's import the second picture I used. So this was the second picture. So increase the size and then place it somewhere here. So go ahead and lock it. So this is what we've achieved. You can still arrange this properly, arrange it. So yeah, that is it. So the next thing, I will import this icon, reduce the size, then drag it like this. So something like this is not bad. Then you can take it behind these pictures like this, and then lock it. So now let's size. So right, close with line spacing or padding, and increase it. Change the color to white, and then I've forgotten the name of the font I used here, but I can use any similar font. I think this is the font. Then increase it like this, something like this, and align it, and come to spacing and reduce it. So align it to the center, then copy it to the right, align it as well. You can reduce the size a little bit. So yeah, that is it. So the next thing, you can still copy it and then write. Then you can change this font to, I change the font to something else. Okay, let's use this font. I'm sorry, I can use a lighter one. So reduce the size and then place it here. So that is it. So now let's move these three texts, and place it here like this. So that is it. Let's align it. So the next thing I did here, so go ahead and lock it. So that is that. So let's bring this to the front like this. So the next thing I did here was, this is the next thing I did, or this was the next thing I did rather. Import this, and then you can place it here like this. Then you can come to brightness and reduce it, something like this. You can come to rotate and rotate it, something like this. So that is it. You can lock it, then click on it, copy it, and then place it somewhere here like this. like this, and then copy it again and place it somewhere here. Then take it behind the pictures like this. So that was how I achieved this. You can shift it, adjust it a little bit. So that is it. Lock this and then lock this as well. So the next thing I did, okay, come to shape, come to gradient, then click on this plus icon, click on this black, increase this and reduce this, then come over to this and reduce this like this. So drag it like this and then place it here. So you take this behind this like this. So keep it somewhere here, so you can see where the stuff is. So you can adjust it like this. I think that is it. So go ahead and lock it as well. Then import this, reduce the size and place it somewhere here. Then you can copy this text and copy this and write 30th June 2025. Let's change the font to something similar. Okay, I think we can use Nexa for this. Let's change it to Nexa, and that is it. So you can just come here and align it to center, reduce the size, click on line spacing, and then something like this is not bad. So go ahead and lock it up. So the next thing I did, so import a text, and then you can write this, change the color to white, and then change the font to, let's use this font, then reduce the size like this, and let's leave it this way. I'll come to line spacing and increase it. So something like this is not bad. So let me import this happy birthday stuff I used. So this was the text I used, then reduce the size like this and place it here. So something like this is not bad. I think we are done with the design. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Now this was the next thing I used. Then you can just change the background, change the color to white, enable white, and then you can keep it somewhere here. Yeah, something like this. You can still copy this text and write. So that is that. So the next thing we'll be doing now, we'll be doing it on PicsArt and Lightroom. So place this here, and that is all. So let's delete this. So this is what we've achieved. Now let's save the design and then go to our PicsArt and add some light effects. Then do the next retouch and color grading on Lightroom. So we've saved the design. So next thing, open your PicsArt. That's the next app we'll be using. Open your PicsArt. Click on this plus icon, and then this is the design we just finished doing. Okay, this is it. So scroll until you see add photo. Click on add photo, and so you add this, and then I think it's remaining one. You add that, and then I think there is another one. Where's my resources? So scroll down until you find this. So add two. So this is the two light effects we'll be working with. You can disable this. Let's work with this. So click on blend and screen. Then increase it like this and place it somewhere here like this. You can see it. So you can just click on this and brush the edges like this. Just brush the edges. You can clean this. You can clean this as well. So that is all. So click on OK, then come here and lock it. Then let's work with this. You can scroll up until you see blend, then you click on screen, increase the size, and then place it somewhere here like this. Let it not be too visible. So that is it. Come here, click on it, click on this, and click on duplicate, then take it somewhere here. Don't add too much light to your design. You can see the before and the after. So we are done with PicsArt. Click on this and save your work. So the next app we'll be using now is Lightroom. Click on Lightroom and open your app. So you see PicsArt. Don't import this one you did with Pixellab. We are going to delete it. So this was the one you just added light effects with PicsArt. Click on it and click on add. Now there is no particular settings for enhancing your flyer on Lightroom after you're done designing it. But let me show you the particular settings I used for this particular flyer. I went to detail. You can see the detail plus 101, radius minus 0. Then this detail. Okay, sorry, the first one is amount 100, 101, detail plus 25. Then come to effects, texture plus 13, clarity 0. this one 0, so just leave all this. Then the next thing, come over to color. You can see the temperature is +3, tint +7, and vibrance +17. So that is all for color. Then come to light, contrast +10, highlight +9, shadows +15, white +8, and blacks +7. So that was the exact settings I used to enhance this flyer. So this is the before and this is the after. So that is all. You can go ahead and save your design and then go ahead and publish it online. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one.